Good morning, and I hope everyone is having a great start to their day. I just wanted to jump on really quickly and tell you a little bit more about our engineering manager position and what it is we're looking for. Hopefully this provides a little bit more clarity, and if this sounds like you, go apply, let's jump on the phone, and let's get you into the process. Okay, so what it is that we're looking for is someone that is going to be a hands-on leader. We have a small back-end development team of 6 that we're continually looking to grow that works on anywhere from 1 to 3 or more products in stages from market or lower, as well as working on continuous greenfield development. This team is the definition of wearing multiple hats. They are constantly working with our customers, with internal employees, as well as internally with themselves to make sure that they're coming out with the latest and greatest integrations, new products, as well as internal hacks to make our lives and day-to-days easier. Thank you for working at a productivity company. We are also looking for someone who has that more team management experience. You are going to be personally responsible for one-on-ones, code reviews, really helping work these more junior engineers into that more mid and senior career progression. So are you looking to really help partner up with these engineers and walk them to that next phase of their professional development? If this sounds like you, I encourage you to go apply at the link below. I'm excited to jump on the phone with you and tell you a lot more about what GoLinks has to offer and our great perks. Thanks, and look forward to chatting soon. Bye.